welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be making another one of these videos for you. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I make fashion videos, and then in between I make vlogs and travel videos, so be sure to stick around for those too. Today I have another review for you. I've just been really into sneakers lately, and I feel like when I ever have a decision to make with sneakers, I hop on my trusty friend YouTube and I like search reviews, and that's what ultimately helps me make the decision to, you know, pull the trigger, because, you know, in the economy today things are not cheap, so you always want to make sure that you made like the right choice when you're purchasing something. So today we have the black and white gum Samba OGs. So here they are. And it's so funny because I just made a video, a review of the Mexico 66, and in that video I was like, I'm not really a fan of Sambas right now, but I did need a good black, on the go sneaker, so I did just get the Sambas in black, as you can see here. Okay, let's get into it. So a little bit about the shoe. So this is the black and white Samba. So you have sort of a thicker leather upper part, and it's gonna take a little bit of breaking in to make it feel more comfortable and like relax the leather a little bit. So you have leather, the leather stripes. Then at the toe you have this black suede, which I love, especially when they're worn out and like the sun's been hitting them and they get sort of like that bleachy green black look to them. I really like that. So that's why I really think that they'll look good brand new, they'll look good worn. It's because that like the suede part starts turning a little bit once you get quite a few wears in. So black laces, and then the tongue with the blue Adidas symbol. In the inner part, you'll still see the suede, the leather, and then this is the back. It's got the little ripples in the back on the white. And then the bottom part of the sneaker is a dark brown. This is what the inside looks like, and you'll see the sizing right here. So for sizing, my feet are not slim, let's say. I do feel like I have like a little fatty portion on the outside of my foot, so when I step, like a little bit of the fat of on my foot kind of pushes out, which makes like really narrow shoes hard to wear for me. I did get these in a 6.5. I feel like I could have gone up half a size, so I feel like if you don't have really narrow feet or like a normal width sized foot, I would go up half a size. Otherwise, I think that they run true to size. They're not thick on the inside whatsoever, so they're not like Nikes, where the Nikes on the inside are super padded. These are super slim. They're a little stiff, so if that is uncomfortable for you, I would just go up half a size. I am a size, it depends on what sneakers I'm wearing. In the Onitsuka Tiger shoes, it's true to size for me. For Sambas, I went up half a size since my foot got fat. So I am wearing a size 6.5. The Sambas go by men's sizing. I made the mistake when I went to the UK. I was in London. I went to Selfridges to buy some Specials, and I asked for a 6.5, which is my size here in the US, a woman's 6.5. Make sure whenever you're buying shoes like these, you're asking for the men's converted to women's size. So if I'm a 6.5 women's in the US, you'll ask for a 5.5. So yeah, this is a 5.5 men's. I'm a 6.5 woman, so you would just go up one men's size. They don't provide so much support for people with arched feet, so these might be a little uncomfortable if you have an arched foot, but if you have flat feet, these will probably do you justice. I've definitely walked really long distances in Sambas before, and I don't recommend. So they definitely are like a grab and go, slip on, run out of the house kind of shoe. If you're not doing too much, but they're stylish. And I will absolutely be making a video on how to style these. So these I bought these on StockX. As you can see, it has the little StockX verified button here, which they will always, if you ever purchase anything from there, they'll always have this on there if it's been verified by StockX themselves. So these were $100, and then I paid for them to get here for express shipping, which is an extra $20. So in total I paid $120 for these, which the price has definitely come down in the last few years. 2 years ago these were super expensive, and now they're everywhere. They're like overproduced, so you'll find them for super cheap again. So if you want a Samba, I think now is your time. That's especially why I wanted to make this video, because the holidays are right around the corner. Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, it's all coming up soon, and this is the season of, unfortunately, consumers where we like to spend, and you know, we're gift giving. And so if you're looking to get this for someone, right now is a perfect time. The price has come down, and I would definitely recommend. So I did buy these. I didn't buy these in store. I bought these on StockX. I find myself, instead of going to like a Foot Locker or like Concepts or any sneaker store in general, I find myself shopping on StockX because they always have the like extra stylish shoes that I like to wear. So these sneakers I can just slip on with ease. As you can see, they slipped on. Okay, and these are them. So these are definitely, I would say actually these are definitely true to size. Okay, this is how they look on. I love them. I love them with this color jean, actually. This is what they look like. They are a little squeaky on wood floors, and probably any hard floor, they'll be a little squeaky in the beginning. Hopefully it goes away. But this is what they look like on, and I'm loving them. My feet actually have lots of room in here. I don't feel restricted, and they don't feel super stiff, which is good. I feel like I can really grab and make these the grab and go. So these are definitely a fall staple, especially because we're all trying to darken up our outfits in the winter and the fall. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I love for a grab and go. For, you know, that model off-duty look that we're all trying to achieve, but not really. You know, the effortless sneaker. You don't have to think twice. They go with everything, which I love. But yeah, that is my review. Thank you so much for watching, and stick around. There's going to be more of these to come. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. That'll be down below. And I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!